How to add auto captions on CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I will be showing you how you can easily add auto captions on CapCut. So as you can see, I've already inserted a video over here. So to insert the captions, all you have to do is just click on this captions button at the top of your navigation bar of CapCut application. So just tap on this and just choose your language on which you want your CapCut caption to be in, and simply choose generate button over here, and based on your video's audio it will automatically start generating the caption just like this. So as you can see, I'll simply show you by playing the video. As you can see, it has already generated the caption based on my audio of the video. So you can also actually use this template button at the top left corner of your captions here to use different theme of captions based on suitable for your video. And similarly, you can just click on this export button to finally export your video just like that. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.